Welcome to JRMSweeps. So I don't have a winch set up here on my boat trailer. So this is what I'm going to put together. I have a spare tire carrier and a hand winch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole here, and I'm going to drill one right up underneath here all the way through the tongue, and I'll be able to mount that down. Okay, I have the tire carrier mounted. I just inverted this bolt here and just went all the way through the tongue. What makes this setup so easy to bolt together is the fact that the front mounting hole on the winch lines up perfectly to the tire carrier here on top, and then this guy here will line up to the back hole, so I don't have to drill anything on top. I'm just going to reuse some old hardware here to mount that to the top. Okay, I have everything mounted, and I mounted it this far forward on the tongue just because I like to run one extra strap just in case. Thanks for watching.